Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be my 3-month update on the ketogenic diet. Let's just get into it. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump into this update. Honestly guys, today's one of those days where I didn't even feel like doing this. I'm not going to lie. I am feeling so effing discouraged right now. Like I just want to eat my feelings and just say, sorry, just say screw it all and just not care. Do you ever get to the point where you're on this weight loss journey and you do it for so long that you're like, is this ever gonna end? Is this ever going to end? So I jumped on the scale this morning because, you know, I try to do it once a month. I gained 4 pounds. And as much as I tell you guys not to let the scale discourage you or to let the number on the scale indicate your success, it still burns my ass a little bit because I put so much work into myself. I make sure I don't eat the snacks I want. I make sure that, you know, I refrain from the treats. I make sure that I get off the damn couch and I work out. I make sure I'm doing all the right things to get me to the ultimate goal. And when you see the scale being a little asshole, you're like, what the hell? You know, especially on something like keto, even low carb, you know, you hear all these crazy stories. People are like, I lost 12 pounds this week. And you're like, you did? I did take my measurements and they stayed the exact same. I do have, you know, the beginning to now picture that I always take once a week. I'll put that up on the screen. But yeah, my measurements never changed. I have been, you know, I'm around 13 to 14 inches lost all around. So that's pretty good. I mean, I know that the number is just a number, but it sucks when you see it go up. 'Cause what am I doing wrong? Doing this journey, I have done it. I've done lazy keto. That's what I've done. I chose to do lazy keto because I'm lazy and I didn't want to count. I didn't want to have my phone out. I didn't want to measure. I just wanted to just try to live this lifestyle as normal as possible. If you guys don't know, I have kind of an obsessive personality. I become very just consumed by stuff. Whatever is in my hobby or, you know, that I'm doing at the moment, I am 100% consumed in it. So I know that if I was to start tracking everything, that was going to be it. And I was going to freaking count every bit that goes into my mouth. And it's to the point where it's like, maybe should I do that for a month? And I don't know, with the holidays coming, is that something I want to do? I don't know. I definitely can tell you that I need to go harder in the gym. I need to up my cardio. There's this spin class that they have over by my job, and they offer people who work at the hospital a major discount. So I signed up for, I think I paid like for 5 spin classes. So I'm going to do those. I do have a spin bike, but it's always fun to just, you know, nobody pushes you better, or for myself, nobody will push you better than somebody else. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Got myself a little gym bag, go ahead and do my workouts. But it's definitely the cardio. In the weight section, I go really hard because I know how far I can push myself. I'm really starting to struggle with my lower belly, my apron, or whatever you would call it. I know I'm losing inches because it's getting bigger. It gets bigger and I feel like you guys can see it in pictures or, you know, in certain videos. I feel like I know it's there, so I know I'm looking at it. Then I'm like, oh my God, I wonder if they can see it, you know, and it's embarrassing. It's very embarrassing for me. I did do a workout with me video. It was really requested. And it was for like upper body, so arms and some back movements, and a ab workout as well. So that'll go up tomorrow. I watch it and I'm like, I made a damn fool out of myself because I'm very like, I've watched workout videos, obviously, especially on YouTube, and I'm like, man, like, so then I did this one, and I was like, I had to do a voiceover because I was like, I couldn't breathe because I was so into my workouts. And I'm like, why don't these people look like this? But then I think they don't even do the workouts. I think they do a couple of movements and then switch to the next scene. I did the whole workout. So I was like in it, you know, I was in it to win it. So, that's really bothering me, is my lower belly. It's really, really bothering me. I wish it wasn't there. If I can fix something about myself, it would be that, because I feel like you can see it in my clothes, you can see it in my jeans, you can, yeah, I absolutely hate it. I hate it so much, and I wish I could do something about it, but I can't, and I'm not going to go under the knife because I don't have the money to go do so, and I've already had 3 abdominal surgeries. I'm not really looking into getting another one, so yeah. Just so you guys know, as positive as I try to be on here, I do suffer from the same things you guys do. You know, I know some women worry about their legs, their arms, their belly, their butt. You know, we all have something about us that we don't feel the most confident about. And as much as I try to come on here every week and be like, hell yeah, this week is ours, I struggle too. You know, I'm human, and you know, it's rough. It's rough. A weight loss journey is a journey, and no journey is linear. There's going to be high points and there's going to be a low point. Today's a low point for me because I just want to look like I see in my head. You know what I mean? Like, I know it's like body dysmorphia or something, but you know, and then I feel like, man, am I like giving these people, like, who the hell am I to come on here and show like this massive banging body, you know, that these people think that, you know, I'm working on. And I don't look like the girls on Instagram. I don't look like these fit chicks, you know. And I mean, I try. I mean, I work my ass off for it, and I hope you guys know that I would never, you know, give you guys a false advertisement, you know. So what are my plans? The holiday season is going to be rough, and I've already no, I'm not going to be following any type of, I'm going to eat what I want in moderation. You know, I can't eat to the point of like excess because I will violently be sick. I just can't do it anymore. I've tried before. It didn't work out for me. I was doing that every Saturday when I was on Weight Watchers. I would have this massive cheat day, and every Saturday I would end up throwing up because my body couldn't handle it. But, you know, I'll have some cocktails. I'll eat, you know, it is what it is. It's the holidays. You know, me and my family don't get together like that as much as we used to when I was younger, and I'm going to enjoy it with my family. I'm still going to bust my ass from here on out for the rest of my life because I owe it to myself to be the best physical me that I can possibly be. I did 29 years of damage to my body, so I know it's going to take some time. This February will be 5 years that I've been on this journey. And no day has ever been easy. No day do I wake out and be like, hell yeah, I can't wait to, you know, not eat the snacks, and I can't wait to go down there and get all sweaty and work out. And, you know, but when it's done, then I'm like, hell yeah, you killed it, Danielle. And then I'm proud, you know. But I'm definitely at that point. Some days, like today, I just feel frumpy and fat and ugly. That's how I feel right now. I feel frumpy, fat, and ugly. And some days you just feel like that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to figure out how to make the situation a little bit better. And just keep going. And know that these moods, these emotions pass. I definitely think that keto has changed my cycle a little bit, because I feel like I'm kind of emotional. And I feel like I shouldn't be. I usually get pretty emotional like mid-cycle, and I'm like, man, I wonder if that's dropping earlier than usual. I am going to go ahead, I'm going to actually run out to Target either tonight or tomorrow. I'm going to buy some keto sticks. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to track my macros for the next couple weeks, and I'm going to see if that gets, I want to see if I'm even in ketosis, if there's any trace of ketones in my urine at this point, because I don't think I'm fat adapted. Because I was doing some research today, and it was either two things. Either I'm eating too much or I'm eating not enough. I think I'm overdoing it on the fats. I went ahead and got rid of the heavy cream in my coffee, and I went ahead and went just a half and half. You know, everybody says that heavy whipping cream already has a carb in it, they just don't say it. So, you know, now I'm just literally just measuring out the tablespoon in my coffee. I don't like it as much as I love the heavy whipping cream. That shit was bomb. This stuff is like, meh, meh. It's alright, but I'll get used to it. So that's about it, guys. That's my update. I wish it was better, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep trying. This is going to pass. I'm going to relax. I'm going to give myself some grace and, you know, pick myself up by the bootstraps and just carry on. Keep calm and keto on. Isn't that what they say? So that's the plan. Let me know how your guys' week. Am I like the only one who feels like this sometimes? Or am I just like a complete basket case? I love you guys. Thank you for all your continued support. And just know that you just gotta keep going sometimes, even when you don't feel like it. Alright, it's Saturday morning or afternoon now. I'm cleaning the house. I wanted to jump on here because I didn't want to blow this video off because I was very much considering it. But you guys keep me accountable. And sometimes it's just better to talk it out with a friend. You know what I mean? So I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow, actually. So if you guys are going to be interested, I do have that workout video. You guys can see me channel like my inner Jane Fonda, Richard Simmons. And yeah. So if you guys want to see me do that, and then come back tomorrow. But I love you guys. Have a great weekend. To all my southerners, I know there's some snow coming your way. So from somebody who lives somewhere where it snows a good portion of the year, y'all gonna be alright. It's gonna be fine. Get your rubber boots on, make some snowmen, have some hot chocolate. You know, enjoy it. Mother Nature's a beautiful thing when she wants to be. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow where I'm in better spirits. Bye guys.